C++ is a general-purpose programming language that was developed in the early 1980s by Bjorn Stroustrup at Bell Labs. It is an extension of the C programming language, with additional features such as object-oriented programming and templates. C++ is a compiled language, like C, which means that the source code is translated into machine code that can be executed directly by the computer's processor. It is a popular language for developing large-scale software projects, such as operating systems, video games, and enterprise applications.
One of the key features of C++ is its support for object-oriented programming, OOP. This allows programmers to organize their code into reusable classes and objects, which can help simplify and modularize complex applications. C++ also supports other programming paradigms, such as procedural programming and generic programming. Another notable feature of C++ is its support for templates. This allows programmers to write generic code that can be used with different data types, which can help reduce code duplication and improve maintainability. C++ has a number of other features that make it a popular language for software development, including support for low-level programming, such as memory management and direct access to hardware, as well as high-level abstractions, such as exceptions and smart pointers. C++ has influenced many other programming languages, including Java, Python, and C#. It remains a widely used language today and continues to be an important tool for software development. There are many software options available for coding in C++. Some popular choices include Visual Studio, and this is a powerful integrated development environment, IDE, developed by Microsoft. It includes many features for C++ development, such as code navigation, debugging, and testing tools. CoderBlocks, this is an open-source IDE that supports multiple programming languages, including C++. It is cross-platform and runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS.
Eclipse. This is another popular open-source IDE that supports C++ development. It includes many features such as code refactoring, debugging, and testing tools. Xcode. This is an IDE developed by Apple for macOS and iOS development. It includes many features for C++ development, such as code completion, debugging, and profiling tools. CLion. This is a cross-platform IDE developed specifically for C++ development. It includes many features such as intelligent code completion, refactoring, and debugging tools. Sublime Text. This is a popular code editor that supports multiple programming languages, including C++. It includes many features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and a wide range of plugins for customization. Atom. This is another popular code editor that supports C++ development. It includes many features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and a wide range of plugins for customization.
Basic steps to get started with C++ coding. Install a C++ development environment. Before you can start coding in C++, you will need to install a development environment. There are many options available, including Visual Studio, CodeBlocks, Eclipse, Xcode, and CLion. Create a new C++ project. Once you have installed a development environment, you can create a new C++ project. This will typically involve selecting a project template, such as a console application or a GUI application, and configuring the project settings. Write your C++ code. Once you have created a new project, you can start writing your C++ code. This will typically involve creating one or more source code files and writing code that defines functions, classes, and other program components. Build your C++ code. Once you have written your C++ code, you will need to build it into an executable file that can be run on your computer. This will typically involve compiling the source code into object code and linking the object code into an executable file. Test and debug your C++ code. After building your C++ code, you should test it to ensure that it works correctly. You may also need to debug your code to fix any errors or issues that arise during testing.